Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Connect Show Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Today, we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the patterns, the technical indicators on the Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as on the different asset classes. Let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. Last week, we have discussed that Nifty, after a breakout or multiple times, it has given a breakout about 15,430. It has just closed above that, and Nifty needs a strong, decisive follow-up buying, which could push Nifty on the higher side towards the levels of maybe 15,800 to 15,900. Definitely, on Monday, in the initial hours, Nifty just pulled off a little bit, and then it took off and started rallying higher. And till the end of the week, it made a high just near 15,740, and then just ended with a positive note on the weekly candle. But if you look at the daily charts, I mean to say daily candle of Friday, it has just formed a spinning top formation. You will see on the screen now. The spinning top pattern is just indicating that there might be some sort of exhaustion. You can see on the screen. Then after multiple attempts of a consolidation breakout, Nifty took off from this breakout point decisively. Now you can see on the RSI also, RSI has also slightly just entered into overbought territory. And always price have a behavior that whenever there is a consolidation, a breakout, Nifty or a price moves sharply, and then again it pullbacks towards the support line. So definitely, I would just looking at the daily charts and the RSI, the setup of the RSI, and also on the hourly charts, the prices have just showing some sort of overbought on the lower degree charts. I mean to say on the hourly charts. Now, if you see on the daily charts, uh, since May and June, I mean to say the initial days of the June, Nifty has rallied consistently, making higher tops, higher bottom from the lower levels, almost from the levels of 14,200, 14,300 levels. There has been not a single, I mean to say, uh, uh, a comfortable correction. So maybe from these levels, we might see some sort of profit booking at these levels. Nifty might try to reattempt the support resistance area, which would now become the support, which is around 15,430, and it might again pierce little bit in that particular area. So definitely, at these levels, yes, the prices are showing strength, but looking at the hourly pattern or the lower degree charts, it seems some sort of overbought uh, setup, some sort of exhaustion was also seen, and it was a spin top formation. So we might see some sort of profit booking, and for the next week, Nifty might retest the levels of 15,400 to 15,300 odd levels. So if there is a pullback from these levels, I mean to say, even if there is a gap up rally or whatever we call the continuation of the rally, we might see a profit booking at the higher levels. So one need to be cautious at least for the next week at the higher levels. Let the price correct. Let it enter into the comfortable zone of 15,400 to 15,300, and then try to go long at those levels. That we will discuss later. But at these levels, one need to be cautious at the higher levels and try to book profits if anybody has bought Nifty a couple of days back. So definitely, let us discuss the important support and resistance for the Nifty for the next week. The important support for the Nifty for the next week is placed at 15,611. This is the first support. If it breaks, the next support is at 15,459, and if it breaks, then third support is at 15,374. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is at 15,744, which was Friday's high. Then above that, the next resistance would be 15,901, and above that, which is a psychological mark, which would be 16,016 on the higher side, would be the third resistance for the week. So definitely cautious. One needs to be cautious at the higher levels, try to book profits, wait for some price correction, and then enter at the lower levels. So I would as well advise to book profits at the higher levels in Nifty. Now let us discuss the Bank Nifty. Again, in Bank Nifty also, last week also we have discussed that Bank Nifty has been forming an upward rising wedge where we were expecting a breakout, decisive breakout supported with strong volumes on the future on the futures. But that didn't happen. You will see on the screen. It tried. It took an attempt to give a breakout, but it failed to do so. You can see clearly the upward blue resistance line. 2 to 3 times it has tried to test those levels, and again the prices were knocked down from the higher levels, and Bank Nifty ended on a negative note. So definitely some sort of again we might see some sort of indecisiveness, skepticism, or exhaustion in Bank Nifty also is been seen on looking at the charts pattern. Now again, if we see the RSI, again RSI is not into overbought territory, but it has just tested the band of the higher band of the overbought territory. It has just tested those levels and again tilted downside. So I feel that we might see again some sort of pressure in Bank Nifty also from these levels. So one need to be cautious in Bank Nifty also because it has not given a breakout from this upward rising wedge, and we need to watch out this breakout, or either we need to see whether Nifty is witnessing any sort of selling pressure at these levels or any pullback. So I would be comfortable going long in Bank Nifty around say 34,000 odd mark. So at this level, I would be cautious. I would again recommend in Nifty and Bank Nifty to be cautious and try to book profit at the higher levels. Now let us discuss the important support and resistance in Bank Nifty for the next week. The important support in the Bank Nifty are placed at 34,930. Second support is at 34,400. And third support is at 33,935. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at 35,544. Above that, the next resistance is at 35,950. And above that, the third resistance is placed at 36,549. So most probably these are the support and resistance levels where traders need to watch out closely for the next week in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us discuss the option analysis. In option analysis, we would discuss the concentration, the building up of open interest into the out of the money or at the money calls and put in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and accordingly we will analyze what should one do for the next week, at least for the trading purpose. Now we will see on the screen. Let us discuss the Nifty. The open interest built up in the Nifty calls. In Nifty calls, you can clearly see that there has been a rise in open interest in the out of the money calls. We're seen at 15,700, then 15,800, and 15,900. But on the contrary, on the percentage changes side, what we have seen that there has been some sort of writing, I mean to say call writing seen in the out of the money calls at the higher levels, which clearly indicates that for the next week, upside is slightly kept. Any pullback might invite, I mean to say any rally might invite profit booking or selling pressure at the higher level. So traders need to watch out for these out of the money calls where the open interest is rising but the premiums are falling, which indicates that there might be a call writing seen at the higher levels. So the crucial strike price where the open interest build up has been seen is at 15,700, 15,800, and 15,900 points. Now in Nifty puts, you will see on the screen, the open interest built up in the Nifty puts was seen around 15,500 puts, then 15,400 puts, and 15,200 puts. Again, here also, when the open interest was rising, you can clearly see that there has been pressure or selling seen or writing seen into the puts out of the money puts. So that also clearly indicates that Nifty at the higher levels might face resistance, whereas on the downside also it is not major downside seen, but I feel that 15,200 would act as a strong support for the next week. So traders need to watch out for this particular strike prices and trade accordingly in the direction of the trend, where how Nifty and Bank Nifty is panning out on Monday, and then trade accordingly. So one need to be cautious at the higher levels in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now let us discuss the open interest built up in the Bank Nifty. I mean to say calls and puts. In Bank Nifty out of the money calls, the open interest built up was seen at the strike price of 35,500 calls, then 36,000 calls, and 36,500 calls. You can clearly see on the screen. These were the out of the money calls where strong writing has been seen, where there has been a strong price erosion, premium erosion into the premium of this out of the money strike. We're rising in the open interest. Looking at the upward rising wedge pattern in Bank Nifty, where consistently for 2 to 3 days, Bank Nifty was facing stiff resistance, and along with that, writing of out of the money calls writing, which clearly indicates that the upside is capped in the Bank Nifty also, and we might see selling pressure coming at the higher levels. So in Bank Nifty puts, the open interest build-up was seen. You will see on the screen where 35,000 puts, 34,500 puts, and 34,000 puts. So again, here also see there has been a slight writing seen in the puts. Though the premium has been not significant erosion in the premium in this out of the money puts, but there has been a slight uh, put writing at the lower levels also. So I feel that 34,000 could act as a strong support for the next week. So again, looking at the chart patterns, the candle formation, the I mean to say the indicators, I mean to say RSI, the lower degree charts, uh, position into the calls and puts in Nifty and Bank Nifty, rising open interest, and the overall view becomes that one needs to be cautious at the higher levels, try to book profits, and go short at the higher levels for at least uh, maybe 2.5% of downside uh, from the current levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty for at least for the next week or next expiry. So one needs to be cautious for at least for the next till the next expiry in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us come to the final segment of the today's show, which is the positional call. In positional call, I have identified one stock which is from Tata Group company. The stock is Tata Chemicals. Even I have initiated or I have recommended to in my Twitter in the last week. The stock has given a triangular breakout. You can clearly see on the daily charts. After a long consolidation, March, April, May, and in the initial days of the June, the stock has given a breakout. You can see in the last two trading days, there has been a sharp rise in the volumes. The RSI is also showing some sort of positive indicators from the lower levels. Prices are showing. So clearly the setup is very strong at these levels. The price volume action is also indicating that momentum might pick up in the stock from the current levels. So short-term investors, swing traders, position traders, or investors, those who are looking out for maybe 10 to 12% appreciation from these levels can accumulate Tata Chemicals from these levels. So one should the current market price is at 746. So one can accumulate the stock in the range of 746 to 730 for an upside position target of maybe 830, 840 for the next 3 to 4 months. So definitely the stock is looking good, the setup is good, the volumes are rising, the technical indicators are indicating that the momentum would build up. So traders, short-term investors can accumulate the stock from current levels to and on dips to 730 for an upside target of 830 to 840 for next 3 to 4 months. So thank you very much, friends. Let us conclude the show. Thank you very much again for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give into the comment box. And thank you very much. Have a nice trading week for the next week. Thank you.